Hi y'all, welcome back to my shop, Mike Peace Wood Turning. I'm passionate about wood turning, want to share tips, tricks, techniques to make you a better turner. I was down here playing in my shop, roughing out some bowls. I got some fresh persimmon, and then something happened that I thought, no, I got to stop and share this with you guys. I was adjusting my helmet, and wouldn't you know it, when this little nut came out, and I could hear it click. I had it like this. I was adjusting this thing, and I could hear something click. I thought, oh crap, something is falling off. It's hit my visor and hit the floor. Now, what do? All right, let me show you. All right, so you got that situation where you're looking for the proverbial needle in a haystack. Well, what I'm suggesting is you always have on hand one of these little see if I can get down, one of these little adjustable pickup tools, because they are so handy. You know, you drop a little wrench, boom, you pick it up. You drop a little nut, you pick it up. Those are the ones you can see. Now, the ones you can't see, like that little bitty one, you gotta have a little more horsepower. You need a big one like this that you can kind of go over and sweep the area, especially if it falls in the shavings. And these are real handy. I picked this one up, I think, at Harbor Freight. This tool I picked up off Amazon. I think I've got it in my Amazon shop. And that's after I had one from Harbor Freight that just really wasn't worth the crap. My granddaughter was playing with it and wound up bending it and breaking it. And it's just not nearly as strong as that other one, not nearly as rugged. By the way, there's another screw. It's early spring in Atlanta, and the pollen is kicking in. I think in Atlanta there's two kind of folks. There's the folks that have got seasonal allergies, reactions to pollen, and then there's those that are going to get them. That green stuff is the pollen, and it just it's horrendous to deal with. The good news, with spring weather comes warm weather, and you know, it's time for me to almost get out of my winter uniform. When I wear short sleeves t-shirts, I wear a short sleeve smock. Cooler weather, I'm wearing a long sleeve shirt, I wear a long sleeve smock. I call it a smock. Actually, it's a ACU jacket, Army Combat Uniform jacket. You can get these off eBay. You can pick them up about $13 with shipping included sometimes on eBay. It's got nice tight-fitting Velcro everywhere. It's got pockets. It's got a nice high Mandarin style collar. Just a tip, when you do get one, no matter whether you're short or medium or tall, find one that fits your size and is a long. That way you get a little longer fit that's more appropriate for a smock. And also, for some of y'all not aware of it, I do have an Amazon shop. The link is in the underneath the description for this video. So if you're thinking about buying something on Amazon that's wood turning related, check out some of the items and you can support my channel because I'll get a small commission. Y'all come back here.